Hi, welcome back to another tutorial video. So here I am showing you how to download and install the latest version of Python. So at first go to your browser and search for Python download, and you will get like this. Okay, so go to download Python and you will get this page. So just download the latest version of Python and now save. As you can see, it has been saved. Now double click on this file. Now press continue. Now press continue. Continue again. Now install. Now we need to add the password here, and now the Python is installing. Okay, so Python is installed. Okay, so now you can just use your Python program to do whatever you want to do with Python. Thank you.